Hey guys, I got Paleo Mark back in the garage. Oh, sick, dude. We're gonna throw down the next episode in the It's Not Gourmet Bro series. It involves a slow cooker. And what's it called?
Chicken Paisano.
Oh, nice, buddy. So it's the slow cooker version of the chicken Paisano, and it's gonna be great. So bust out your crock pot, and we'll be right back. So Mark, when you look down here, are you liking what you're seeing?
I'm loving what I'm seeing.
Do you think all this will kind of taste pretty good once we get it all thrown together?
Man, once it's in the slow cooker, 6 to 8 hours on low, it's gonna be so good.
High, we're going 7 hours on high, but it's cool either way. Okay, so let's do this. I'm gonna handle the raw ingredients. What I want you to do is take and just dump these guys one at a time into the bowl. Okay. All right? Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is I'll salt and pepper the chicken. And then what if we take and throw a couple of these guys in here?
Oh, that's nice.
That'd be cool. In there, I've placed 5 turkey sausages. Hot Italian turkey sausage. You can use pork sausage. I just happen to have some turkey on hand, so that's what I used. One more little handful. Boom. And we'll go in with the yard bird, and then we'll just kind of stuff all that stuff down and around. And then how about if you grab that? There's a quart of chicken stock right there. Go ahead and just pour that lightly over the top. I think for this we need about a tablespoon of salt, and we do have some salt on the chicken already, right? So maybe just a couple healthy pinches here. And get some pepper in there too. We should have probably done that before we poured. My mistake. It's gonna be okay. We're gonna go 7 hours on high. That sausage is gonna cook up. We got a lot of flavor going on in here. It's gonna be awesome. And through the magic of digital media, check this out. Boom! Look at that, huh?
Damn.
Here we go, guys. I'm just gonna take this. Mark, check it out. We'll just dump it in here. Let's see what happens. Chicken's nice and tender. I mean, this one's not gonna win any Pulitzers for presentation right now, but
it's gonna be so good. Oh, man.
We hit this one. We hit this one right on the head, huh? That was good.
That was.
Keep it simple, guys. Keep it super simple. You know, it took us how long to throw together?
Oh, 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Throw everything together.
I prepped some stuff out cutting it, so call it a cool 20 minutes chopping, mixing, set it on high, go to work, come home, and you're ready to eat. Again, guys, if you're watching this, you're subscribers, and we really appreciate your support. We got the new site coming out. June 1st is the date. You're gonna see banging new site. It's gonna be awesome. Mark, thanks for helping out. As always, we're here in the Paleo Garage, just doing what we can to help you guys keep it paleo.